Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Qadri. Students, in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can have a conversation about winter in English. So let's start. The very first sentence you can see here, सर्दी शुरू हो चुकी है. Winter has set in. सर्दी शुरू हो चुकी है. Winter has set in. The word is set in, right? Which season you use this word set in? Winter has set in. Next one. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I'm feeling cold. If you want to say someone, मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I'm feeling cold. I am feeling cold. Next one. अपनी जैकेट की जिप बंद कीजिए. Zip up your jacket. Statement is अपनी जैकेट की जिप बंद कीजिए. Zip up your jacket. Simplest one. Zip up mean बंद कर लेना, right? Zip up your jacket. Next one. You need to practice with me. क्या आपको सर्दी लग रही है? Are you feeling cold? Question mark interrogation is here. क्या आपको सर्दी लग रही है? Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold? आज मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather today? आज मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather today? Again question mark interrogation. How is the weather today? बाहर बहुत सर्दी है. Oh my god. It's very cold outside. बाहर बहुत सर्दी है. It's very cold outside. It's very cold outside. Next one. मेरे हाथ बर्फ जैसे ठंडे हो रहे हैं. My hands are turning icy cold. Very important. मेरे हाथ बर्फ जैसे ठंडे हो रहे हैं. My hands are turning icy cold. My hands are turning icy cold. The word is icy cold, right? बर्फीले हो जाना. Like we can say बर्फ की तरह ठंडे हो जाना, right? मुझे एक स्वेटर चाहिए. I need a sweater. The word is not sweater. No. मुझे एक स्वेटर चाहिए. I need a sweater. I need a sweater. Next one. बाहर जाने से पहले अपने आप को ढांप लीजिए. Cover yourself before you go out. Cover yourself before you go out. बाहर जाने से पहले अपने आप को ढांप लीजिए. Cover yourself before you go out. Next one. Okay, the next one. Okay. इसकी नाक बह रही है. Oh my god. He has a runny nose. इसकी नाक बह रही है. Like we are talking about winter season and the statement is उसकी नाक बह रही है. He has a runny nose. Like you are having a kind of flu, right? He has a runny nose. आज धुंध है. It's foggy today. The word is fog. आज धुंध है. It's foggy today. And if you want to say आज बाहर धुंध है, right? You can definitely say it's foggy outside today. It's foggy outside today. अपनी जिल्द को तर कर लीजिए. Moisturize your skin. तर कर लेना मीन नरम कर लेना, राइट? अपनी जिल्द को तर कर लीजिए. Moisturize your skin. Moisturize your skin. जब मुझे सर्दी लगती है तो मुझे बहुत छींकी आती हैं. Okay, I sneeze a lot when I catch cold. I sneeze a lot when I catch cold. जब मुझे ठंड लगती है और जब मुझे सर्दी लगती है तो मुझे बहुत छींकी आती हैं. I sneeze a lot when I catch cold. I sneeze a lot when I catch cold. Next one. मेरी उंगलियां सुन्न हो रही हैं. Okay, very important. My fingers are going numb. Here be silent, right? मेरी उंगलियां सुन्न हो रही हैं. My fingers are going numb. Or you can say, my fingers are getting numb. My fingers are going numb. मेरा गला खराब है. I have a sore throat. मेरा गला खराब है. I have a sore throat. मुझे अक्सर सर्दी हो जाती है. Simplest one. I often get cold. मुझे अक्सर सर्दी हो जाती है. I often get cold. T is silent here, right? You will pronounce the word often. I often get a cold. मुझे बहुत ज्यादा खांसी है. I have a bad cough. बहुत ज्यादा खांसी mean bad cough, right? मुझे बहुत ज्यादा खांसी है. I have a bad cough. I have a bad cough. The word is cough. Here we will pronounce the letter G as F, right? I have a bad cough. आपके होंठ खुश्क हो रहे हैं. Your lips are chapped. आपके होंठ फट रहे हैं, like ठंड से फट रहे हैं या खुश्क हो रहे हैं. You can say your lips are chapped. आपके होंठ खुश्क हो रहे हैं. Your lips are chapped. लिप बाम लगा लीजिए. Apply lip balm. Simplest one. लिप बाम लगा लीजिए. Apply lip balm. Here L is silent to some extent, not exactly, right? Apply lip balm. Next one. चलो आग के पास बैठते हैं. Let's sit by the fireplace. Let's sit by the fireplace. चलो आग के पास बैठते हैं. Let's sit by the fireplace. बच्चों को गर्म रखें. Keep the kids warm. बच्चों को गर्म रखें. Keep the kids warm. Keep the kids warm. Next one. Okay, very important. चलो धूप सेकते हैं. Right? Let's bask in the sun. It depends upon which accent actually you follow. You can say bask, you can use the word bask, right? Let's bask in the sun. चलो धूप सेकते हैं. Let's bask in the sun. मुझे रज़ाई दे दीजिए. Give me the quilt. मुझे रज़ाई दे दीजिए. Give me the quilt. The word is quilt. Give me the quilt. आज जमा देने वाली ठंड है. It's freezing cold today. आज जमा देने वाली ठंड है. It's freezing cold today. बाहर मत जाओ, बाहर ठंड है. Don't go out, it's cold outside. बाहर मत जाएं, बाहर ठंड है. Don't go out, it's cold outside. Don't go out, it's cold outside. Don't go out, it's cold outside. Next one. मुझे ठंड लग गई है. I have caught cold. मुझे ठंड लग गई है. I have caught cold. The word is caught, right? This is the second form of catch. I have caught cold. This is actually the third form, second and third form of catch. I have caught cold. मेरे दस्ताने और जुराबे कहाँ हैं? Where are my gloves and socks? Where are my gloves and socks? मेरे दस्ताने और जुराबे कहाँ हैं? Where are my gloves and socks? Socks means जुराबे and gloves means दस्ताने, right? Where are my gloves and socks? आज मौसम धुंधला है. It's foggy today. आज मौसम धुंधला है. It's foggy today. It's foggy today. मेरे दांत बज रहे हैं. Okay. My teeth are clattering. My teeth are clattering. मेरे दांत बज रहे हैं. My teeth are clattering. मेरे होंठ खुश्क हो गए हैं. I have chapped lips. मेरे होंठ खुश्क हो गए हैं. I have chapped lips. I have chapped lips. Next one. आज अच्छी धूप है. It's sunny today. आज धूप है और आज अच्छी धूप है, right? It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Next one. मेरी एड़ियां फट गई हैं. Okay. I have cracked heels. मेरी एड़ियां फट गई हैं. I have cracked heels. I have cracked heels. Here is the last one. मेरे पाँव की उंगलियां सूज गई हैं. My toes has got frostbite. Little bit complicated. The word is frostbite. मेरे पाँव की उंगलियां सूज गई हैं. You will not say fingers. No. My toes has got frostbite. My toes has got frostbite. So guys, this is all about today's lesson. I hope it's quite interesting for all of you. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my channel, Learning with Anila Qadri, and press the bell icon. Thank you.